Good morning to Dr. Mozase and my friends. I'm here, Pavitran, son of Encarnations, with metric number CN180162. This assignment will be going to be an explanation and differences between mechanizations and automations in manufacturing industry in the terms of definitions and the differences of it, where it started with the mechanizations in manufacturing industries, which is referred to the use of powered machinery to help human operator in some industrial work. Next were the use of hand-powered tools. It's just not an examples of mechanizations. And also the powered machines tools such as steam-powered lathe dramatically reduce the amount of time needed to carry out the various tasks and improve productivity. Here is one of the examples of mechanizations machines, which is steam engine. It's also a heat engine that performs mechanical work using steam as its working fluid. Next, it moves to automations, where it defined as the process of following predetermined sequence of operations with little or no human labor, which means the work will be carried out by the robots and with this using specialized equipment and devices that perform and control manufacturing processes. The automation is also a full sense is achieved through the use of a variety of devices, sensors, actuators, technique, and equipment that are capable of observing the manufacturing processes. These are the examples of sensors which contributes to the automations, which I've listed down here, which is one of the examples: color sensors, gas sensors, and PR sensors, and drain sensors, and so on. The actuator also be the major parts in automations, where the actuator will be divided into three. The first one is pneumatic control valve, and the second one is electric control valve, and the third one is hydraulic motor, where we can see here the parts of it actuated. Automations also is the process where in industry where with the various production operations are converted from manual process to an automated processes. Here one of the examples in automations in manufacturing industry, where in this process it will be automated, where the workers would place long length of the bar into feeds mechanisms of an automatic lathe. Then the lathe mechanism feed the material into the chuck, then turn the piece to the correct shape, size, and cut it off the bar before beginning another items. If it been a mechanicals, and there will be the lack of optimized operations whenever using such machines in manufacturing. Next, we will move on to the differences between mechanizations and automations in manufacturing industries, where it started with the mechanizations save the use of human muscles, which mean by the human labor, whereas the automation save the use of human judgment. Mechanizations displaces physical labor, whereas they need to put an effort to run out the manufacturing industries, whereas the automation displaces the mental labor, which mean by to accommodate the programming in order to run the robots. Next, it's continue with the mechanizations, where the mechanization is occurred during the industrial revolutions, whereas the automation is the replacement of human thinking, which computer and machines. Then the differences will be the mechanizations affect one or two industries at a time, whereas the automations affect many industries at a time. That's all from me. I've explained about the mechanizations and automations in manufacturing industries and the difference between the mechanizations and automations. Thank you.